scared of bright website blinding you at night? What if you could turn every website dark, even the ones that do not support dark mode? Good news, Samsung Internet lets you force dark mode for all web content, making browsing easier on your eyes, especially in low light. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. Then tap Setting. Tap Web Page View and Scrolling. Tap Dark Mode. And then enable Force Dark Mode for web content. Once turned on, all websites, even those without native dark theme, will automatically appear in dark mode. And that's how you can browse comfortably at night by forcing dark mode on all websites in Samsung Internet. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.